Hello friends, in the today's section we are going to learn about machine learning. Now if you don't know what is machine learning, you are in the right place because I have a lot of experience in machine learning. So in this full course I am going to teach you about everything in machine learning from scratch. So before start to learn machine learning, let's create our first hello world program. Now I know you are thinking this is too fast, but remember, the coding is the power if you do practical. We are gonna learn machine learning from 3 books. So the first book is Machine Learning for Absolute Beginner 2nd edition. You can see from this book we are gonna learn a basic things of machine learning. And the second book is Machine Learning for Dummies. From this book we are gonna learn more about machine learning. This is book by John Paul Muller and Lucia Masron. And the last one but not in least, Mastering Python for Data Science. If you want to learn machine learning and artificial intelligence, so you should learn about data science, data mining, algorithm and big data. So those are main topics of machine learning. Now if you are scared from mathematical experience, so don't be, because I am going to teach you like no one can or no one gonna ever teach you. So let's create our first hello world program in machine learning. Now imagine you have 2 data available. The first data is you want to find features of sport car and minivan. Means you have to find is this a minivan or sport car. And the second data is you have to find this is a mobile or tablet. In a simple way, we are gonna tell the computer to find is this a tablet or mobile. Okay, so let's now focus on the first data. In here we are gonna find the first features. Now focus on this. And you can see in here this is our data. In this data we are put this data in a chart format. Now remember, whenever you add data, so you should add these in rows and columns. You can see here we have 2 properties. The one is mobile phone and the second one is tablet. Now there is a 2 features available in this data. There is a 2 main features. The first one is screen size and the second one is price. Now data say if the screen size is 7.3 means screen size is big and the price is big like 15,000, so it means this is a tablet. Now you can see here this is a label. So label is the output of our data for now. And then you can see we have 5-inch screen size. So it means 5-inch screen size and the price is 7,000. So it means this is a mobile, you know. And then we have 6-inch and 500,000. If the screen size is huge like 9-inch, so and the price is 35,000, so it means the label is tablet. Now remember, screen size and price is the features and this is our labels. So we are gonna make a different variable for both of these. We are gonna put features in one variable and label in one variable, and we are gonna add in our Python script only this data. We are gonna save this data for test or project. So how we are gonna do it? For that you have to download Scikit-Learn. Now if you want to download Scikit-Learn from official website, so link is the description, or you can just go in the terminal, any terminal you are using like Visual Code, CMD, any, or just hit PIP install Scikit-Learn. And hit enter, and that's how you can download Scikit-Learn. Now why we need to download Scikit-Learn? Because Scikit-Learn has a lot of property and packages available like NumPy, tree, graph and so on. So we are gonna talk about it later, but for now just download Scikit-Learn. So the link is in the description. Now go in your any IDE. I am using PyCharm Pro because it has a lot of good experience with me. Now which code I am gonna enter is definitely go in your head, because this is so simple. What we are gonna do, we are gonna just simply add or these features and labels in our data, means Python script. So for that, why don't we create another variable for this, like you can name it anything. I'm gonna name it features, and in the features, in the double list, you have to enter or all of the features. Now this is the single list, and we want to add two features, so that's why I'm gonna use list in the list. So our first feature is, you can see here our first feature is 7.3 screen size and 15,000. Now this is the example only. If you want to add another features and data, you can do it. Like if you don't like this example, you can change the example, like if you want to find this is apple or orange, you can do it. But let's now focus in this. Our first data is 7.3 and the price is 15,000. So we are going to add first data in here. So the screen size is 7.3.3. So I just enter our first feature with first column. So the second is 15,000. So just go in here and enter 15,000. So that's how you can add a features in variable. So let's create another. So the second one is 5 inch 7,000 and the third one is 6 inch 5,000. So the second one is 5 inch 7,000 and the third one is 6 inch 5,000, and so on. So I am gonna enter all the features in here except one. Our last feature is 9 inch and 35,000. Now you can see here I just enter 1, 2, 3 and 4 feature. So I have to add 4 label. If I add 3 label, so it is gonna going error. If I add 5 labels, so it is gonna error. So that's why you need to enter same as features as label. So I'm gonna create another variable, name it, you can name it anything. So you can see here this is our label, tablet mobile mobile tablet mobile. Now you can add a string format for do mathematical expression. So what you need to find, tablet or mobile? Let's say we want to find a mobile, and for that we are gonna assume tablet equal to 0 because we don't want to find tablet, and mobile equal to 1 because we need to find mobile. So whenever, so the first value is tablet equal to 0, mobile equal to 1. So we are gonna add one by one, like tablet is 0, mobile is 1, mobile is 1, tablet is 0 and mobile is 1. So we are gonna enter first is tablet, so we are gonna add 0. The second one is mobile, so we are gonna add 1, 1, 0 and for mobile 1 again, and that's it. We just made our features and label. Now what we are gonna do? Now we are gonna classify this data and train this data. Now how we are gonna do this? And for that we need to use from Scikit-Learn import tree. Now if you don't familiar with tree, we are gonna talk about it later in a huge format, but for now tree is the algorithm to find the data, or you can say store the data. Now we want to train this data to know computer, is this a mobile or tablet. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna make a variable, name it anything you can, and tree has a classifier, decision tree classifier. So we are gonna enter tree dot decision tree classifier. So that's how you can make a classifier. So this is our classifier. We are going to talk classifier more about in later video, but for now you can imagine classifier is the box. We are going to put this value in the box. So how we are going to do this? So we are going to name it variable again, clf dot, we have a property fit. In here we haven't train our data, we just create a box to train data. So how we are going to train with the fit format, means this is a fit function to train our data, and for that we need two parameters. So the first one is obviously features and the second one is obviously label, and that's how you can train your data. Yes, this is your trained data. Now computer know what is mobile and what is tablet from this line. So this is our trained data we got, and this is the empty box only. We just created a classifier because we need to store the data in something. So for that we are going to use classifier. We are going to talk about it later, but for now let's see is this working or not. Now how we are going to do this? We are going to check, we are going to print, we are going to add this last data. We are going to see check the data from this. So the check data is 5.5 inch display and the price is 12,000, and for that we are simply gonna do is clf dot predict. So predict is a function and we need to add a list, and in the list we are gonna add our checking data. So the checking data is, you can see here 5.5 inch display and the 12,000 price. So I am gonna add 5.5 and the 12,000. We don't need to add label because we just add all the features and labels. Now computer are gonna give us a label. Now computer are gonna predict is this a tablet or mobile. Now how we are gonna sure this is a lying or not, and for that you know what we just done here. We just add 5.5 screen size and the price is 12,000. So the label is mobile. If computer give us a mobile, so it means our program is run successfully, but if computer gives us a tablet, so it means our program has some issues. Now for mobile we just predict mobile equal to 1 and tablet equal to 0, if you know before. So if computer give us a 1, so it means our code is successfully run. Let's try this. So I'm gonna just hit Ctrl Shift and F10. Okay, we got error. You know what is this error? So the error is I add 4 features but I mistakenly add 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 labels in our data. So it means I have only 4 features, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You know I told you before, if you are add 4 features, so you have to add only 4 labels. So I am gonna just remove one and let's run this code again, and boom, you can see here we got 1. Now what is mean? 1 means we assumed 1 is mobile. You can see here we put for mobile 1 and for tablet 0, and that's how machine can learn. And you know how this happened? Because we give a features and data. Now more features if you have, you got output strong. Now let's try another. Let's add here the screen size is like 10 inch and the price is like 55,000. So definitely it means this is the tablet. So the output is 0. Let's try, and boom, you can see here we got 0. So it means this is the tablet. Now you can see here I have only 4 features and 4 labels. So it means sometime output is wrong. If you have so many features and label available, so it means your output is strong enough. Let's try this again, and now I want to check mobile. So that's why I am gonna enter the screen size is 4 inch and the price is like 5,000. So I am gonna run it, and boom, you can see I got 1. It means this is the mobile. So this is just an example. If you want to enter another data, any data in the world, you can do it, like is this a snake or the fish, or you can say any data in the world. Now I am gonna give you a framework. What you want to do is you want to create the features and label from this data and find out is this a sport car or minivan, and imagine sport car is 1 and minivan is 0. So pause the video now and make a code now, and if you got answer, so comment me in the comment section. So this is the first video of our machine learning programming language. If If you don't get it, repeat the video and learn again, because this is so simple. This is the first hello world program for our machine learning, and that's how you can teach the machine. So this is for today's guys. If you like this, please like, share video with other programmers, comment me for new videos and hit on the bell icon, because whenever I'm gonna upload the second part of this course, you can get a notification. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, because whenever you click on the subscribe, I motivate to upload another featurings and new videos. And please complete this framework. If you have any issue, so just comment me, I'm gonna definitely help you. So this is for today's guys. Thank you.